Okay, so I've got my 3 layers painted. Well, that's going to be the base layer. Then I'm going to have the middle layer with the mirror set in it. And then the top layer, which is going to sit over the top like that and hold the whole thing together. So starting with the base layer, just going to get the glue. And just run a ring around the edge like that. Get hold of the brush. And just smear it all out towards the edges. Now I could work my way to the inside, but I don't actually want to glue the mirror into place. Because if the frame gets damaged, I can still reuse the mirror. I'm just going to smear this out towards the edges. Looks like the glue's a little bit old, a little bit tacky. And because it's a little bit old and tacky, I'm just going to smear more glue, just another bead, trying to keep it as continuous as I can. Now there's a fold going down that way, and there's a fold going across this one, so I'm going to make sure they cross each other for a bit of extra stability. Push that down. If I wanted to, I could probably put a book on that or something heavy just to hold it in place while that layer of glue dries. Push the mirror into place. And the mirror just doesn't quite want to fit. I'll grab the knife again. Just score around it. And just take away that bit. Okay, that's a good fit. Here comes the glue again. So I've got the first 2 layers glued together. Now for the top layer. Once again, you'll notice I'm erring towards the outer edge. I don't want to get any glue on the mirror itself. If it comes out the edge, I'll just wipe it off. Just doing a second inner. You'll notice I'm trying to keep to a continuous speed. Wipe off the goop. Put the top layer on. And I'm going to hold the whole thing together with clothes pegs. Try and level them up. And you notice I've gone one and then opposite. 90 degrees. And then opposite. One there and another one over here. Once again, you could just put a heavy book on there. And then I'm just going to work my way around. When that's done, when that's dried, I'll go around the edge with some black tape. Okay, so I've left that for a few hours. Time to take the pegs off. And with the exception of a few small smudges, which I can easily patch up with some more paint, and maybe putting some paint or some tape around the edges there. As you can see, we have a magic mirror.